Hi, my name is Hiram with the team at ROVI Homes. Originally from Hartford, I live in Wethersfield, Connecticut, and love helping people. I love making a difference. I love changing lives, and I like rebuilding communities. I was a regional safety and compliance director for the armored car industry, and I had started real estate part-time. And when the company sold, I felt it was my calling to take on real estate full-time. Previously, I was with 2 other brokerages. It was a learning curve for me, right? It was just having a footprint in real estate, period. One of the things that I really enjoy about ROVI Homes is that they provide some of the best tools in this industry to help newer agents. I've never seen newer agents succeeding at such a high level as I've seen here in ROVI Homes. One of the challenges that I faced early on in my career was I would get emotionally attached to a transaction. You have to build trust with that client. You have to set the expectation from the beginning that they need to trust the process. If they trust the process and there's an open line of communication, there's no need to panic. You know, we're not really selling anything, right? We're changing lives and we're rebuilding communities. And to me, that's more important than anything. In life, my hero is my mom. She's my hero because she's probably one of the strongest women that I've ever been around. Her work ethic it's unbelievable. She's such an amazing person. She's an amazing mother. She's an amazing grandmother. And she always told me growing up, keep moving forward and never look back. The support that I get from my wife and my kids, that makes me proud. My grandkids make me proud. That's why I do what I do. My why is so huge right now because I have something to look forward to every single day. I too was a single father for many years until I met my wife, and she's just been the most amazing support in my life that I'm proud. There's a lot of things, but the most important part of it is at the closing, seeing those homeowners smile. Seeing the smiles on their face, the emotion, right? Because now I know that I can go home, I can lay down and I can sleep. I can put my head down and sleep in peace, right? And not have a worry in the world because I know that I made an impact in someone's life.